I'm Simon Devonshire. We live in a Victorian house in South West London. The journey of finding SolarTech is that we were referred to them. I knew nothing about solar. I was just massively impressed with the care and attention that SolarTech invested in bringing me up to speed and guiding me through what would be the most appropriate installation for our house. Because I'm new to it, there's a huge amount of trust involved in that, not least of which financial. Everything worked fantastically well. One of the big things in my journey with solar is contacting the company and speaking with Sambu. I just found him really inspirational, really authentic. This was a big decision as far as I was concerned, a big investment, and I just felt that inherently this was a guy who really stood out. We had a huge building project here, and so we were all over the place ourselves in terms of couldn't even commit to SolarTech when we would be ready. And none of that seemed to kind of matter. They all got what we were trying to achieve, and we've ended up with an amazing job. It was just the reliability of everything, doing what they said when they said they would do it. The comprehensiveness of the detailed drawings, plans, and all the calculations and yield. You know that the day you buy tech, pretty much obsolete the day you buy it. How do we future-proof ourselves against that? Sammy really helped us sort of think through how do we install this thing and do it in a way that, you know, we can keep pace with how the technology is going to evolve. So firstly, it's been completely without fault. Literally maintenance free. We've had the guys back just to check things for us, but literally there has been no issue with it. We've got solar panels that are separate from the roof. It's a very old period property, and I wanted to keep the roof separate from the solar. We're in South West London, so we have pigeons, so we put some bird protection around the outside of the solar panels. Initially with heavy weather, some of that came loose. Without hesitation, Sambu organised a cherry picker 5 stories up, so it's not trivial. The guys were able to remedy the bird protection, which again has been faultless since it's been installed. The biggest thing is I've become obsessed in looking at the app and seeing how much energy has been produced. As a broad rule of thumb on a pretty big house, 4 bedrooms, I would say it's halved our energy bill. The main benefit is the capital appreciation on the house. It's amazing to watch it on your phone to see, you know, when the sun shines, just how much that's yielding. I couldn't advocate or recommend SolarTech more. You want impartial advice from an expert. Sambu is uniquely qualified, academic qualifications that are massively impressive, really knows his stuff, and he'll help to create and provide the best solution for you. I trust him implicitly, and I think he'll do a great job.